To me, culture is the manifestation of our own identity. It is the way we choose to live up to our own beliefs, our norms, our values, our principles, traditions, and to always take action in a healthy way and in a beautiful way to live up to these standards, our own identity, always considering our progress and development of our community. Culture is important because it is the way we demonstrate our love to our own identity, our roots, and our purpose. I consider culture as a guide of a compass, giving a sense of direction of where we are and where we wish to steer our future. I will support Fundación Cultura for the reason that I support all initiatives to safeguard and enhance our culture. I consider Go Cultura as a platform to contribute to our culture and identity, considering future generations to come, stimulating local talent, creativity, love for our Aruba, and very importantly, consciousness.